Hi, this is Babber from Babber's Big Ideas, and today we are going to paint the walls. Yay! So one of the first things you want to make sure you do is prep. And all of these walls have been sanded a little bit and patched, and then we've wiped them down to get the dust off. You can see she's done a really good job patching all the walls up.
And we've primed all the patchwork with the paint to make an even surface.
All the plates on the switches have been taken off, ready to go. One of the prepping things that you want to make sure you do, especially in the kitchen and dining area, is wash the walls with the TSP. TSP, trisodium phosphate, works really, really well getting rid of grease. Helps to prep the walls for the paint so it doesn't come off while you're trying to paint it on, and it sticks better. You should make sure you rinse it.
Materials needed: paint tray, liner, a brush, 6-in-1 combo tool, roller cage, and 10 to 13 millimeter nap roller with an adjustable extension pole. The paint of your choice. Painter's tape for surfaces you don't want painted. Especially in this area, keep your needs in mind. Typically you put the painter's tape on the wood surface of the trim, but because it was such a lousy job done before, we've decided to paint over that section and clean up that area. The trim will be replaced later. My daughter tried 2 different samples of paint. We are going to use the one on the left. Cutting in. I find cutting in can be difficult along the ceiling and the wall, which is why I like the tape. You can use a very precise way of doing it, or you can be a little sloppier as the tape is there to protect that ceiling. Alternatively, you can also cut in freehand. It's a little bit more work and effort, but the results are pretty nice. And you save time by not having to place the tape down.
Okay, so loading up a roller. Splattering. This paint is much different than the other paint, actually. It really glides. Okay, so I think it's good enough.
Painting the wall with the roller. For best coverage, use only 2 to 3 roller widths wide with each load of the roller. The first loaded roller width to be flanked by a width which will feather out any harsh roller lines. This will give best coverage and professional results. We did 2 coats on these walls, and they turned out beautiful. What should have been a 4-day job, we condensed into 2. Nice, bright, clean space. Thanks for watching.